His promises like ashes scattered in the wind. This politician reigns where corruption begins. He swept through the districts with a trail of deceit. Promises of change, but his gains were so sweet. Funds disappeared like smoke in the air, while the people's trust he didn't even care. There's wildfire burning through the state, corrupted by power, leaving nothing but hate. His words are like kindling, sparking up the night. His true colors show in the heart's morning light. The streets are now silent where once there was cheer. The hope she once offered now ending in tears. Every district he touched left charred in his wake, a lesson in power and the lies it can make. Hot as wildfire burning through the state, corrupted by power, leaving nothing but hate. We watched how he rose, we saw how he fell. Now we start to rebuild from this destructive stand. Hot as wildfire burning through the state, corrupted by power, leaving nothing but hate. His promises like ashes scattered in the wind. This politician reigns where corruption begins.